Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by pinpointing where numbers are wrong. Do not waste time on whole sheet setup. First, select the affected columns and enable Show Formulas so you see stored values versus displayed. Use isNumber to mark true numbers. Once done, apply value to convert obvious text numbers. Trim spaces with trim and remove leading apostrophes. Make sure to work on a copy of the sheet because these changes overwrite data. Next, you convert and normalize the data so formulas behave. For many cells, use value or paste special multiply by 1 to force numeric conversion. Once done, format cells as number or currency with consistent decimals. If some entries use commas or parentheses for negatives, use find/replace to fix them and substitute to handle char. 160 non-breaking spaces. Make sure to re-evaluate dependent formulas so totals and subtotals update correctly. Finally, validate totals and fix remaining outliers before finishing. You should rerun isNumber and SUM checks, comparing results to a backup so you catch discrepancies. If a few cells resist conversion, use clean and substitute to strip hidden characters, or edit manually while checking locale settings for decimal separators. If formulas still return errors, use formula auditing and show formulas to trace precedents. One key troubleshooting tip: check for non-printing characters.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.